5 years ago, I ran my first marathon, and it was hideous. And it took me 3 more years to feel like I truly understood the marathon distance. But even then, I knew I was capable of more. At New York and then Boston, I took a big step forward. And it all finally clicked in Chicago. Now, at Berlin, after a superb training block with no missed runs and my first 100-kilometer weeks, I'm aiming for another step forward. But I know marathons don't work like that. I'll still give it everything I have.
So this is our official split point. That over there is my starting corral A. That's Mary's B. All that's left is to go and see what the body can do. So, see you later.
Good
Have
luck.
a good race.
Let's find out. Oh good, it does feel quite hot. There is cloud cover, but it's warm, so just keep an eye on the heart rate. Top of zone 2 at the moment. Bottom of zone 3, but the excitement as well, so see how I feel at 5k, but everything feels pretty good so far. Okay, so 5k in 22:17, which is about right for my goal, 3:08. On my first gel every 20 to 25 minutes. Took some water at the station. It was the hard plastic cup, but I managed to get a good gulp, so that was good. It's like, compared to my last marathon, Chicago, feels quite calm, which is good for me. So yeah, I prefer it if my heart rate was a little bit lower, but as long as I keep fueling, I feel quite stable. Through 10k, basically 45 minutes. So a bit slower, but I had a toilet stop, so I had a 5-minute kilometre at a 35-second stop. It's all good. Feel better for stopping, so let's carry on now.
Is it Messi happy?
Yeah!
Oh, Messi is happy. Hey!
Yay!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Trying to stick to that blue line. It's quite crowded, but I feel like this is quite a nice patch, 10 to 15k, to be really calm and get into the rhythm. So that's what I'm doing. I think I'm feeling okay. Met Austin, a friend, at nearly 15k, so you're looking good.
Yeah, so far so good.
Just trying to cruise to heart rate and relax. So my watch is about 200 meters ahead, but staying on pace, so I'm feeling okay. That was a 4:25 on my watch, but the 15k marker's up ahead. Love crossing the tracking mat and feeling my supporters. Coming up to halfway there. Gary from our coaching group. Feeling quite
1:34:22. So I'm on for 3:08, but this is a roller coaster. I feel good, and I feel like it's hard. So just trying to be positive, stay calm, and just gotta keep running. Switch off and keep running, but heart rate is high, so stay focused. It's hard. Dialing it back a bit. Water stations are carnage because it's so hot, so you like have to slow down, and got a few pains. That helped. That helped. Oh, I don't know. Just try and keep on running, but it's hard work today. So, this 5k, I'm going to think about all the marathons I've run and getting through the hard patches. So that's what I need to do now.
Only
3:30k. Really, I'm dialing it back now. Really struggling, but trying so hard to stay positive because marathon is so hard. You never know how it's going to go on the day. Today's not my day, but my ultimate goal was to enjoy myself and get that medal. So that's what I'm giving all my focus to now. My pace has dropped off, trying to protect myself. Heart rate is so high. So just going to try and keep on running and enjoy this course, this day. When you hit this point in a marathon, do whatever you can to keep running. Remember everything you've done to get here, and this is the way the marathon goes. You never know. I don't think I did anything wrong. My heart rate was high. Down to easy run pace. Just trying to hold on. And I've got stitch. But running a marathon, I'm gonna get my 4th star, and I've got people supporting me. I want to do myself proud, like show them, everyone who's training for their own marathons, that you have to accept what happens but never give up. I'll just keep running. Hey.
Keep pushing!
Oh, thank you, that guy. Oh my life. Through 40k to the last water station. I can keep going. I can get us up 3:20. 3:16:06 it says, which, to be fair, I'm so happy with that. My goodness. I knew from 27k it was going to be a battle, and I was like, I know I'm going to need to walk, it's just if I can just do 1 more kilometre, and I never walked, and it was just that keeping on going that got me there, and that's my second fastest marathon, so I've got to be proud of that on a very tough day. Look at the medal.
Well, that was rough, but we're back together. We've got an alcohol-free beer.
Which tastes delicious.
It does taste delicious. So I was going to say it tastes bitter. It doesn't, it tastes delicious. My memory of the race is bitter. That's all I can say. On to the next. We have Cape Town in 4 weeks.
That was a battle of will to finish and get round and keep going. I almost wanted cramp to take me down. I'd had enough.
I wanted to lie down. I needed a good pillow.
It's so close, I can feel it. And without that insane heat, I think it could have happened. But I'm going to roll it forward as we still have Cape Town and Shanghai to come. I'll dive back into training and manage it all carefully. And we couldn't have done it without Say Sky as well, who've been amazing to work with as a brand that lives for running like we do. Rest, recover, go again. Thanks so much for all of the support out there.